Hello guys, welcome back to SKS Technical Life. In today's video, we are going to solve a very common error in a MERN Stack project. But before we start, if you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch it first. In that video, I solved a similar error. Maybe your problem is already solved there. Okay, if not, then don't worry. Watch this video till end. I will definitely help you fix it. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's start the video. First, let me show you the problem. What's the problem? And then I am explain you what's the steps I taken to solve this error and how to solve it. Okay, so let me show you the error. So you can see here the when I'm running my project npm start, then I'm getting this error. Okay, you will see here the error, that is error captures stack trace error. So and here this is the main line. Okay, so in the terminal this is showing this type of content. Okay, here my MongoDB is not connected, but the server is start. So now let me show you step by step what the step I taken to solve this error. So let me move to the my VS code on my project. So you will see here this is the my index.js. This is my backend file. When I'm running this file, I'm getting that error. So for the clear understandability, you can also try this thing. That's I'm changing. If you are writing a code like this for connect the MongoDB, so you can replace that code from this. I'm writing that code. I replace the code from this, and you will see after replacing this connection, MongoDB connection from this code, and I'm understanding the clear error. But the line that is after changing this code, I am getting this line of the error only, single line. Let me show you from the different color. Yes, this statement I get after changing the code. But when I'm getting this statement, I'm not understand what's the error. So after that, I'm searching many platforms and also searching on the chat gpt why I'm getting this error. So the chat gpt told me to change your or check your connection wi-fi like that things, and dns error like things they told me. But after implementing, my error is not solved. After that, I am checking my MongoDB. Okay, I'm logging to my MongoDB, and the main problem in my MongoDB, okay, on my database, because of the long time, because of the opening or running the project after a long time, so that I'm getting this error. Okay, so what you have to do to solve the error? So for solving this error, what I'm doing, just to go to the our data on a database. So for that, I'm searching on MongoDB alter database, which I am using. That is I am using. And after signing, I moved to my project, and after moving, I am seeing this thing, that is your cluster has been automatically paused due to the prolonged inactively, so resume your cluster. So this is the reason I am getting that error. So for solve this, you have to just click on this resume, and here you will see this pop up. You have to click just resume cluster. So it takes some time to resume, and after that, what you have to do, you have to, if the problem is not solved after resuming or connecting the cluster, you have to check the string of that MongoDB. Okay, so how to check, how to change that, let me show you. Completion of the resuming, you will see this cluster 0. Now you have to see this connect button. You can click on this connect option, and you will see this, and you have to now just connect to your applications. So for that, you have to click on drives, and you will see the string or the connection string. You have to just copy paste to your project for the connection, and change the password and the cluster name, and after that, just you have to click done. Okay, then what you have to do now, you have to just restart your project. Okay, so when I am doing this thing, the my project is now completely working. There is no error that is comes previously. Okay, so you can see this, that the project, let me move to my VS code. Yes, you will see this, the I'm changed the URL. After that, I'm not getting any error. Let me show you. Let me run my project. You will see. 1 second. That's the error of folder. So for that's the backend. And now let me run the project. You will see server start and the MongoDB server is connected. You will see the database is connected successfully. So in starting, for clear understandability, that's what the error is coming. So I am changed this code, but when I'm again move to my previous code, you will see. Yes, let me run again my project. 1 second. Yes, you will see my MongoDB is now connected. There is no error. So this is the one of the solution how to solve the error, and how to solve this error. Okay, so if you are not getting the solution, so don't worry. You just have to keep searching a little longer and you will certainly achieve success. Means solution. The most important thing to remember is simply not to give up and to have a little patience. So this is all about the video. If this video helped you, comment solve below so that other can also trust this solution. And if your issue is still not solved, drop your error in the comment. I will help you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.